Hey everybody, this is Justin Roner from Agriscaping.com. So this is another segment of Tasty Tuesday. Yes, I know it's Wednesday, but we missed this one yesterday, right? They've been waiting around for quite a while because we've been growing in our backyard. What have we been growing, guys? Mangoes. One mango. So this is a 3-year-old mango tree. It's about this tall. So what, about 5 feet tall? And it finally just kind of dropped its mango all on its own, didn't it?
Well,
we were waiting for it.
Like,
the storm kind of knocked it off. Yep.
With part of the branch.
With part of the branch. And so it fell off on the ground and we're like, oh no! So we brought it inside and we ate the other half already. And so we decided we'd wait just a little bit because Jack missed out on the first mango eating. We just couldn't hold ourselves back. But we did wait for this second half. And so we just sliced that up. We're going to try this mango out. So everybody take a little piece, slice a little piece off. Here, cut them up a little bit more because I want to try some too. All right. So mangoes do grow here. We have ours in a B zone, so a B microclimate is where we're growing ours. It's off the south end of our house, and it gets a lot of water. So we have the worst soil on the planet. In order to get soil to work well for mangoes and pretty much all tropicals, it needs to be really good draining soil. Now, we don't have that naturally, and so we raised up the soil a little bit in that section, have a little bit of a raised bed. But we've also cultivated that soil over the last few years before we had planted the mango tree. And we've actually got 2 mango trees in that little section. They're pretty small right now, but we're starting to have mangoes. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Everybody got a piece? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you guys think?
Okay.
Now, what we found is that these mangoes, a lot smoother in their texture when they can go all the way to maturity. And we're going to have to eat some more. Wonderful fruits. You can grow them again. You can grow them right here in Arizona. The trick is, got to make sure that you keep them alive through the winter. The winter is the hardest time. That's why we like a B zone or even a C zone where it's got some reflected light that can reflect the light into refracted heat that's coming off of our house. That really helps make sure that the things will grow to maturity without freezing first. So that's our little tip of the day. When it comes to awesome things you can grow in your garden here in the Phoenix area, it's all about a mango today. So thanks for joining us for a Tasty Tuesday. We'll see you again another time. Bye-bye.